Greetings, fellow explorers of health and wellness. Today, we embark on a journey through time to uncover the health wisdom of our ancestors hidden within ancient seeds. Join me as we delve into the stories and benefits of these age-old treasures. Throughout history, seeds have played a crucial role in the diets and medicinal practices of civilizations around the world. From the ancient Egyptians to the Aztecs of Mesoamerica, seeds have been revered for their nutritional value, healing properties, and cultural significance. Let's start our exploration with chia seeds, which were a dietary staple of the ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. These tiny seeds were prized for their high protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acid content, making them a valuable source of nutrition for warriors and travelers. Chia seeds were often soaked in water or fruit juice to create a gel-like substance that provided sustained energy and hydration. This chia gel was believed to have numerous health benefits, including promoting digestive health, supporting heart health, and improving endurance. Next, let's explore the ancient tradition of pumpkin seeds, which have been enjoyed for thousands of years by cultures around the world. In addition to being a nutritious snack, pumpkin seeds were valued for their medicinal properties and used to treat a variety of ailments. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to any diet. They were traditionally used to support prostate health, improve bladder function, and boost immunity. Sesame seeds have a long history of use in culinary and medicinal practices, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Babylonians. These tiny seeds were prized for their rich flavor, nutritional value, and versatile uses. Sesame seeds are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and magnesium. They were traditionally used to promote bone health, support cardiovascular health, and enhance skin and hair health. Flax seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years and were valued by ancient civilizations for their medicinal properties. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds were traditionally used to support digestive health, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. They were also believed to have anti-cancer properties and were used in traditional medicine practices to treat various ailments. Hemp seeds have been used for centuries by cultures around the world for their nutritional and medicinal properties. These tiny seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Hemp seeds were traditionally used to promote digestive health, support cardiovascular health, and boost immunity. They were also valued for their anti-inflammatory properties and used to alleviate pain and inflammation in the body. Finally, let's explore the ancient grain of quinoa, which has been cultivated in the Andean region of South America for thousands of years. Quinoa was revered by ancient civilizations like the Incas for its nutritional value, versatility, and resilience. Quinoa is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for optimal health. It's also rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Quinoa was traditionally used to promote energy, stamina, and endurance among warriors and travelers. It was also valued for its ability to improve digestion, support heart health, and boost immunity. As we've seen, ancient seeds are not only a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors, but also a source of inspiration for modern-day health and wellness practices. By incorporating these nutrient-rich seeds into our diets, we can tap into their potential to support our health and vitality. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the ancient wisdom of seeds. I hope you feel inspired to explore the health benefits of these age-old treasures and incorporate them into your own wellness routine. Until next time, happy exploring.